Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no. Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Susie. If y'all new over here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If y'all returning, what's good, what's poppin', poo, y'all already know what to do. So we like to get right into the video over here, y'all. We do a bunch of DIYs and all that good stuff. So basically what you've been needing for this video, of course, a pair of white ones, some shoestrings, eyelids, and stretchy elastic band, a pencil to draw your little pencil or a pen. It don't matter because you're gonna poke the holes through anyway. So basically that's what I'm doing right here, putting the marking where I want the holes. So y'all, I actually looked at other videos and seen where they was marking their holes, and I did the same thing. So right here, this is my first hole that I am attempting to try, and as you can see, I wasn't really putting any force behind it, and it was taking me a little longer. So as I kept going, I learned that you put a little force behind it, and also it works very well, and it'll be a lot easier for you if you had a brand new one of these. I don't know exactly what's the name of it, so yeah. So basically right here I am testing the holes to make sure that I can fit the eyelid through, and this is what it's looking like. And y'all, I took this little hole puncher right here to make sure that the hole is all the way through, and also I took the little razor blade thing and did like the inside of the shoe as well, so we can make sure we have a clean hole. And there is also a bunch of other tools that you can use for this, but of course y'all already know I'm using what I have at home. They have like leather hole punchers and all that good stuff. Like I said, totally up to you if you want to go out and spend the money, but I like to save money, so yeah, this is what's going on here. And also y'all, I use this little hole puncher to kind of like, if you see what I'm doing here, I am basically like stretching the hole a little bit. You don't want to be super strong when you do it, but you can see I have a really nice clean hole. You can see right through, and that's what you want. So this is what I was talking about when I said, y'all, I had did like steps that where the video was all over the place. So she didn't want like rope laces at first, and then she decided she wanted rope laces. So I'm basically doing the same thing that I did to the other holes to these as well. And here I am using my E6000 and my Gorilla Glue Sticks hot gun. And you want to take your eyelids. I put a little on of the E6000 on around the eyelids, and then I just put the hot glue inside the hole, and of course just let that dry. Okay, so now we're going to be using our little elastic band. You're going to need about 16 of these. These are about, I think, 1/8 inch band, and I can't recall how long that I cut each one, so you're going to kind of have to guesstimate. But this very first one that I put in, it was a little too long, and y'all, they made it look so easy when they put this in, but you kind of got to put the little elastic band through like the red little stitching in there, and this is what it should look like. I put like some little Q-tips in there to hold those right there until it's time for me to lace up the shoe. So this is the little rope. I got this from Walmart as well. This is a sweatshirt that I custom made for her. If y'all want to see that, follow me on TikTok, because I didn't make a YouTube video, but I did make one for TikTok. And I got a little creative. I got me some scotch tape and twirled around the ends of the shoelaces and cut it, and then I took my hot glue gun to seal the tape on the sides and at the top, like so. because y'all, I couldn't find the little things that go on the end of the shoelaces, and also I don't even know what they're called. But right here, we're just gonna go ahead and lace up the shoe. You can lace it up however you like. And y'all, with the shoestrings, I kind of measured the shoestrings that was already in there. She didn't really want long ones, so I am cutting it, and I went ahead and did the little tape thing that I did before to these as well, but of course I didn't show you on cam because I already showed y'all. So we're just gonna go ahead and lace up the little off-white little laces. And the shoestring was, I'm gonna say it was long enough because we was able to tie it in the back. Just, you know, see what I'm doing here, giving it a little room and make sure that it's not super tight on her feet. And we're just gonna go ahead and tie a little knot back there, and yeah, this is it. Super dope, super simple, and yeah. Okay, get into it. Okay, final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok so y'all can see how I made this sweatshirt, and y'all can see some more little dope little stuff. And yeah, I love y'all so much. Bye.